Hello students, welcome back to our next video on hypothalamus gland of endocrine system lecture series on next biology, learning biology at the next level. So let's begin with the lecture. The hypothalamus is the basal part of diencephalon and it regulates a wide spectrum of body functions. It contains several group of neurosecretory cells called as nuclei, which produces the hormones. Now these hormones regulate the synthesis and secretion of pituitary hormones. However, the hormones produced by the hypothalamus are of two types. The releasing hormones, which stimulate the secretion of pituitary hormones, and on the other hand, the inhibiting hormones, which inhibit the secretion of pituitary hormones. So अभी तक हमने क्या देखा कि हाइपोथैलेमस ग्लैंड में बहुत सारे न्यूरोसिक्रेटरी सेल्स है जिन्हें न्यूक्लियाई बोलते हैं और ये हार्मोन्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. अब यही हार्मोन्स क्या करेंगे? दे विल रेगुलेट द सिंथेसिस एंड सिक्रीशन ऑफ पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन्स. अब ये हार्मोन्स दो टाइप के हैं, रिलीजिंग हार्मोन एंड इनहिबिटिंग हार्मोन्स. नाम ही सब बता देता है. रिलीजिंग हार्मोन, तो व्हाट इट विल डू? इट विल स्टिमुलेट द सिक्रीशन ऑफ पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन्स. एंड द इनहिबिटिंग हार्मोन्स वो क्या करेंगे? पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन्स के सिक्रीशंस को इनहिबिट करेंगे. अब यही चीज़ हम डायग्राम के थ्रू देखते हैं. So this is the location which is I am highlighting with the help of a yellow marker is the location of hypothalamus gland, and below you can see the location of anterior pituitary and the posterior pituitary. For example, a hypothalamic hormone called gonadotropin releasing hormone GnRH. What it will do? It will stimulate the pituitary synthesis and release of gonadotropins. And on the other hand, somatostatin from the hypothalamus will inhibit the release of growth hormone from the pituitary. And these hormones originating in the hypothalamic neurons pass through axons and are released from their nerve endings. These hormones reach the pituitary gland through a portal circulatory system, and then they regulate the functions of anterior pituitary. The posterior pituitary is under the direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. तो हमने इस एग्जाम्पल में क्या देखा कि देयर इज अ हाइपोथैलेमिक हार्मोन कॉल्ड एज GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. So what it will do? It will release the gonadotropin from the pituitary. और on the other hand, somatostatin जो कि एक इनहिबिटरी नेचर का है, so it will inhibit the release of growth hormone. अब यही हार्मोन जो हाइपोथैलेमिक न्यूरॉन्स में ओरिजिनेट होते हैं, दे पास थ्रू द एक्सॉन्स and they reach the nerve endings. But ये hormones they reach the pituitary gland through a portal circulatory system और फिर ये अपने functions करते हैं on the anterior pituitary. अब on the other hand, the posterior pituitary is under direct neural regulation of the hypothalamus. Now let's see what are the different types of hormones that are secreted by the hypothalamus. First is the TRH जो है thyrotropin releasing hormone. So what it will do? It will stimulate the secretion of thyroid stimulating hormone by the thyrotropes. Now students, thyrotropes, gonadotropes, corticotropes, somatotropes and lactotropes, ये सभी सेल्स है जो कि पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड में लोकेटेड है. और जब भी कोई हार्मोन हाइपोथैलेमस से रिलीज होता है तो दे विल एक्ट ऑन दीज सेल्स for the secretion of the particular hormone by them. Now next is GnRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone. So what it will do? It will stimulate the secretion of FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, luteinizing hormone. Same is with CRH, that is corticotropin releasing hormone. What it will do? It will stimulate the secretion of adrenocorticotropic hormone, that is ACTH, by the corticotropes. Now next is GHRH, that is growth hormone releasing hormone, which stimulates the secretion of growth hormone by the somatotropes. Now we will come to the inhibitory hormones that are somatostatin, that is growth hormone inhibitory hormone. What it will do? As name suggests, it will inhibit the secretion of growth hormone by the somatotropes. Next is PIH, prolactin inhibiting hormone. So as name suggests, it will inhibit the synthesis and secretion of prolactin by the lactotropes. So this was a short video on hypothalamus gland. I hope you must have liked the video. Thanks for listening. Thank you for watching the video.